I remember when I first started training and learning all about windows 20 years ago, and my dad used to have the same joke when talking about colors of the windows. He used to tell customers, you can have any color of the rainbow as long as it's white or tan. Gone are those days. Now you have too many options. I'm going to show you a little bit about it.
Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.
Maybe you're replacing your windows for energy efficiency, but have you considered you can change the entire look of your house? When you replace your windows, you go with a different color frame, and a lot of customers, they follow with a paint job. And so between those two things, you can have a completely different look. Or maybe you're inspired by a picture you saw on Pinterest or Houzz or a neighbor's house. If you live in a tract home, they all look the same. Now it's time to stand out. For all these reasons, you want to think about different colors of frames. Let me show you a few different ways that you can go about that. So starting out with vinyl frame windows, you have for instance, this is an Anlin window. What they do is they use a coating on the exterior. So it's not a paint. A lot of people say paint. It's not paint. It's a ceramic coating. If it were paint, I don't think it would hold up very well in the sun. In fact, I know it wouldn't, because I've seen people paint their vinyl frame windows and it does not look good. It will split, crack, it will do all kinds of really bad things. So it has to be something formulated just for the frame. And this is exactly that. So this is a ceramic coating. Now what they do is they spray it on similar to a paint, but then they bake it on, okay? And that's incredibly important. And then they spray again, spray again, bake again. Anlin does it right when it comes to the coatings for the exterior. I wanna say they have about 10 different colors to choose from. And just because you choose one for the outside, doesn't mean you can't have base colors on the inside. So maybe you have an HOA. In fact, that's probably the most common reason why people go with a different color on the exterior. They'll go with a bronze on the outside to make the HOA happy, but then they want to go do a nice clean light white on the inside. We can do that. That's not a problem. There are a couple downfalls, okay? One of them is that, yes, you can technically scratch it off there. A tree branch hitting the side of the house can take a chunk out of that. Whereas if you went with white, tan, or adobe, or even black, it's the same color, and so it can take a lot more hit. The other part of this is that since it is a coating, exterior coating on the outside, they reduce the warranty on just that part right there. So instead of being a lifetime warranty like you have on everything else, you get a 15-year warranty on this. Some other ones, like Simonton, when you have a Simonton window, they'll give you a 10-year warranty on the exterior color. Window's still under lifetime warranty. Something funky happens with the window or the glass or something like that, that's still covered for a lifetime. But the coating itself is where you only hit a decade and a half. One really cool thing that you can do with vinyl frame windows is what's called a capstock, or a lamination. And what that is they put a kind of a foil cover that goes on it. This way it can take a lot more impact. Let me show you with this right over here. The capstock is kind of the next level of being able to add color to your window. This one's a Simonton window here. With Simonton, you can see this is a completely different foil wrap on there. So this right here can take a lot more scratching, a lot more resistant to dents and dings, and maybe it's a patio door where you have the dog jumping on the back. This is going to be able to take a lot more abuse. The one kind of drawback is that it's on a white frame, okay? So you can kind of see it when the window's actually open. So here's this one right here. So you can actually see it right there. It kind of looks like an Oreo. So if your windows are closed, you're never gonna see it. But if it's open, you can. So that's one drawback there. So this is how Anlin does their designer black. Anlin does a great job with this. So it still is that foil capstock kind of thing that I showed you that Simonton does. Anlin does a little bit further where you don't see any white anywhere. Not anything in the frame, it's covered completely. They still have a 15-year warranty on this one, but I think this one's gonna last a heck of a lot longer than the coating is, because it is a complete wrap. That's gonna hold up a lot nicer. Now you've seen what Simonton and Anlin do. Those are both vinyl frame windows, and they have probably, as far as exterior color options, they probably have 8 to 10 different colors, right? And then plus the capstocks. Going a step further, Windsor. Windsor has everything you can think of, any color you can think of. In fact, all of these samples are Windsor. I think they have 60 standard colors for the exterior. And the reason why they can do that is because it's powder coated aluminum on the exterior. It's a wood window, powder coated on the outside. Speaking of Windsor, actually the door right behind me is a Windsor wood French door. So wood on the inside, on the outside is the aluminum clad, all of the different color options. We went with a kind of a slate blue on the outside of this one. I love this color. I think it's just gorgeous, and it's just one of many colors. In fact, let me show you all these here. So right here, you have all these different color options for just the exterior. Okay, now they can also do some custom colors. So that's a really, really neat feature. If you have to have a particular color or you're going for a certain look, you can definitely do that. These are all the exterior colors, so that's basically all the powder coating that they're doing for that. Now on the interior side, you can go with the raw wood, but these are all the different stain options as well as paint options for the interior side. Pretty easy to get bogged down with all of these and overwhelmed with all of these different color options. So it's always best to have an idea of a look that you're going for, then they'll have the color to be able to support that. So all these different color options, where do you really start? A great way to start is, well, obviously we're looking for inspiration. There's all different kinds of websites and apps. My personal favorite is Houzz, H-O-U-Z-Z. That Houzz app has everything you want for inspiration. I go to it often. Honestly, that's a really good one. Of course, Pinterest. But nothing really beats going to that really nice upscale neighborhood you live near. You know, the one that you say, man, I would love to live in there one day. Drive around there. Those are all custom homes. They're beautifully designed. That's a really, really great idea for getting inspiration on what kind of style of house you're going for. And when choosing colors, don't forget about the little details. That's what makes it even better, takes it to the next level. Starting off with different hardware options here for the locks. And both Anlin and Simonton offer different finishes for your locks. And it's a very minor upgrade as far as pricing goes. Makes a big difference. So I always love this look right here, the satin nickel on the black frame. This is the designer black from Anlin. I love the look. I think it's really slick. And then of course you have Windsor here. Windsor has a ton of options. Okay, so first off, just with a sliding patio door, you have 3 different hardware options there, all with different finishes. When you get into the French door, same thing. You got 3 different hardware options, all of those finish options. Those details make a big difference. So the possibilities are endless. You have a ton of options, but what do they all cost? I mean, I know that the limited edition of a vehicle costs a lot more than the base model, and you're right, there does come with some extra cost. When we're talking about going to maybe a 2-tone color like this, where we're just putting the coating on the exterior, you're talking maybe a 25% increase or so in cost, 30% or so. And then when you go to the designer black here by Anlin, or you're doing the all black by Simonton, where it's both sides are black, that's gonna take that base cost and it's probably gonna add about as much as 50% to the cost. It does add some cost to it, but if it's right for your home, you're gonna forget about that cost a long time from now, and you're gonna always love the look. Choosing new windows can be overwhelming. There's tons of information out there, and AI might miss the mark, but our window buyer's guide, backed by 25 years of experience, makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bids. And if you're in one of our areas, make sure Desert King Windows is on your list. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.